Okay, so I had a little problem with my SD card, and well, at least we think it is, and FlexRadio is really fast about sending me a new SD card. So I ended up replacing it, but I wanted to make a video before I button this back up. There are 4 screws on the top, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the left, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the right. It's very simple. If you look here, there's the SD card. And essentially, if you pull this tape off, you'll be able to get that SD card. There's like a little metal clasp that flips up this way that you can just lift it up with. I used some needle nose tweezers to just kind of flip it up, and then the card falls right out. This was the old one. I put the new one in there and then flipped the card back in there and then put the tape back on, and that should be it. But yeah, there's the card right there, and it was no big deal getting it in and out of there. Just also looking around in here, I don't see anything weird or dust bunnies or anything else. Yeah, looks good. The fan is not horribly dirty. I mean, not bad. So yeah, looks good. So we're gonna turn it on and see if that did the trick. So anyways, if you have to replace your SD card, it's super easy, and those are the instructions. When you put the top back on, if you don't know which way it goes, this way or that way, you'll see that the vents line up, and also you only need to take off the top too. I had some stickers on this side which kind of helped me know where it was, but anyways, that's what it looks like. And I hope if you have to do this yourself, it'll be about as easy as a 5-minute job.